Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the editional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 5th, 2022. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. The first puzzle is a letter Sudoku. 2 stars, the 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested, so only 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. And the first one will be a number 3935. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. We will see. So let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 1 in this row. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1, should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The 4 and the 5. All right. Then we have a 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. All right. Okay. Then. How about the 6 in this column? 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7s in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. It should be there. All right. Okay. Okay. Then. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row. The only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. All right. Okay. And then How about these two missing numbers in this big square? We have the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4 and the 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. 3 and 8. And in this row, we have also 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have a 3 and 8 in this column. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 in this column. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. I cannot continue with 2. How about? Yeah. 5, 5. Well, in this middle row, we need a 5. One of the missing numbers is a 5 in this row. We have a 5 here in this column, so no 5 in that box. Here also a 5 in this column, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. Well, we have a 3 here in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Okay. Then. How about 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. Interesting. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 5. 3, 4, 5. Interesting. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. For number 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. 1, 1. 1, 8, 7. 1, 8, 7. Okay. 7, 1, 1. Yeah. Now the difficult part. 1, 1. But 5. 5. Come on. 2, 2. 4, 4. How about these 3? 3, 2, 7. 2, 7, 3, 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, so 3 could be here, could be there. So 3 should be here. 7. Seven. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 7, 4, 5. 3, 3, 3. And let me put the numbers because it's taking too long. 1. Yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So on the first column, no, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Here we have also a 1 in this column. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2, 8. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. And the 7 is missing. We have a 7 here in the middle column. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 7, 3, 8. 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 7, 3, 8. And look, in this column, 7, 8, and 3. So one digit left, this should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here. This box can't be 1 anymore. That box too should be the 1. And all the ones. We need a 1 here. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So 3 missing numbers. 7, 4, 5. 2, 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column and the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. Come on. 7, 3, 8. 7, 3, 8. 8 cannot be here. We have an 8 there. Here also an 8. So the only place left for the 8 should be there in the first column. So 7 and a 3 are missing. 7 and 3, okay. 7 and 3. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. Then 7, 3, and a 5. Here should be the 5. 5, yes. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. Well, here cannot be a 5. We already have a 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the only place, the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Same for here. 3 and a 5. That means that box should be a 7. We have a pair, 3 and a 5. This box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 3. Yeah, 3, 3. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So the last row, only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this second column for number 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm a little bit slower. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle are left. Until then, bye-bye for now.